Welcome to Manus Microsystems, where innovation flows seamlessly with precision. Technology redefined, excellence amplified, trust ensured. For more than 25 years, we have been at the forefront of flow meter technology. Since inception, Manus has always worked for import substitution, truly following Make in India for more than 25 years. Here are some of our important products. Our electromagnetic flow meters range from smallest bore size of 2 mm up to large size up to 2 meters. These flow meters work at low conductivity applications for water, where many other flow meters don't work. The smart electromagnetic flow meter makes on-site configuration possible. The insertion-type electromagnetic flow meter can be installed without cutting the pipeline. The sandwich-type design of this flow meter saves hardware costs. Our model-approved flow meter is ideal for food-grade applications. For large pipelines, we have specially designed flow meters. Battery-operated flow meter works without external power. The new battery-powered flow meter comes with mechanical grooved coupling suitable for Victolic coupling. Economical flow meter used in mobile concrete mixing application as they are vibration resistant. Some of our special flow meters work even underwater. Our ultrasonic flow meters include both insertion type and clamp-on type. These are popular as they are easy to install. Here is one typical installation of our insertion type ultrasonic flow meter. We manufacture BTU meters with various output options including BACnet protocol. Many data centers use our BTU meters. We stand out as one of the select few thermal mass flow meter manufacturers. At our facility, we possess a unique ability to manufacture, assemble, test, and calibrate these meters all in one location. Some of the important types of these meters include compressed air flow meters, industrial oxygen flow meters, gas flow meters for CNG, PNG, LPG, biogas, and many more gases. Here are some of our other process instruments. All these products are manufactured at our Pune, India factory. Our products are compliant to EMC as per EN 61326-1-2013. The manufacturing facility includes machine setup, welding setup, paint shop, material testing including radioactive contamination test, pressure testing, electronic assembly, and testing and calibration. Step into our liquid flow calibration lab accredited for ISO IEC 17025-2017 by NABL. With a flow capacity of up to 250 m3 per hour, we ensure accurate calibration according to ISO 4185-1980 standards. In our airflow calibration lab, we cover a wide range of calibration needs, from 5 to 1725 normal meter cube per hour, and line sizes varying from DN10 to DN200. This unique capability to design, manufacture, assemble, test, and calibrate is the core strength of Manus Microsystems. All this has made our incredible 100-fold growth journey from inception possible. Today, Manus exports flow meters to many countries. Our flow meters are exported all around the world. For more details, visit our website manusmicro.com. Choose Manus Microsystems for reliable and trustworthy flow meters for the world.